Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hi there, meet with me again in News CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to install SSH server on Ubuntu. Okay, first let's open our Ubuntu. Then let's choose terminal. Okay, I want to log in as super user first. Okay, this command will install the SSH package. I put yes in here and then working for SSH. I'm sorry, I mean is SSH. Okay, you can see there open SSH. This is for server. Okay, after installing, we will try to remote our Ubuntu. Okay, I will remote my Ubuntu via putty in my Windows. Still unpacking, and here's just terms in here. Just wait guys, because this is need installing in background process. Okay, our SSC or SSH it's done and ready for use. Let's try to remote. Okay, before we doing remotes, let's see the configuration of our networking IP address in here. Slice interfaces. Okay, you can see there our IP address for ENP0S3 is 10.1. I will ping from my Windows to certain we connect it first before doing a remote computer. Okay, we have connected. Now let's remote our Ubuntu. The default port is 22. We can click open like this, just doing remote like this guys. Okay, you can see there we have now login from external operating system. In here I'm using Windows. Okay, now let's see if our command You can see there it's same with we just doing it manually by a local computer in Ubuntu. Okay, now the next question is, I will log out first in here. The next question is how we can change the default port, because uh, it's more safer if we change the default port for remote SSH in here. Let's go to directory etc and find the directory SSH if there is in list. Okay, this is guys SSH in this list. Let's going to there and okay, this is the configuration for our SSH in here. SSH underscore config in here. Let's adding using nano command. Just you can find the port default in here, but if you change to uh, remove the command and activate this line, for example I want to using port let's say if 777 like this, and let's save change first, and I want to restart my SSH. Then if I login using same method like we just try in Putty, it will not work because uh, our computer is not, or our Ubuntu is not more using uh, 22 port. Let's change to connect using the default port. Okay, network error, connection reviews. So how it's safer because we changed the port default is uh, 777 in here. So let's try again. Point 10.1 and click open. Okay, you can see now we log in using 777 port or 777 port, not 22 again. Let's log in to show you. Okay, you can see there uh, if we work or we done task list in here. Let's get slash interface to show you we have doing work in same Ubuntu or same computer. Okay, that's all. So we done in here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new update about configuring Linux, especially in Ubuntu or server. Okay, thanks for watching. If any question, you can drop your question to the field comment. Thanks for watching and bye bye.